What is an information system? According to O'Brien, information system is a combination of every person, hardware, software, communication network, and data source in collecting, modifying, and spreading information in an organization. According to Gordon B. Davis, information system is a system that receives data input and instructions, processes data that matches the instructions, and produces results. According to John F. Nash, information system is a combination of human beings, technology, media, procedures, and controls aimed at managing communication networks, the process of transactions, helping management, and providing the basis for right decision-making. Thus, it can be concluded that the information system is a set of hardware, software, data, process, user, and network organized to process data into useful information to solve problems and help decision-making. The components of the information system are made up of hardware, software, data, process, user, and network. At this time, we will discuss one of the components of the information system, the hardware. Hardware is a component of a computer that can be physically seen and touched. In other words, hardware is a component that has a real form. As for the understanding of hardware, according to experts, according to Joko Untoro, hardware is a physical device in the form of a computer and all its supporting instruments. According to Fahreza, hardware is part of a computer that works according to the instruction of the software. According to Reiner, hardware is a physical device in a computer, such as a processor, monitor, keyboard, and printer. Hardware serves to receive information, process, and display raw information into useful new information. Hardware means to support all computerized processes and work according to predetermined commands by the user, or what is often called brainware. With the presence of a hardware component, the output form of any process could be realized. Overall, there are four main functions of hardware, among which are 1. Receive input. Certain hardware has a specific function to receive input performed by the user. That input will then be processed into new information. 2. Processing data or information. After receiving input, some hardware has a special function to process the input into new information. 3. Giving an output. Once the data is processed, certain hardware will deliver output to the user. Every output viewed by the user will be displayed to certain hardware. 4. Data storage. The output generated by the computer can be stored in a secondary storage device on a computer. Hardware for storing data is not only embedded within a computer, but also outside the computer. Types of hardware based on the function. Input device, process device, output device, storage device, peripheral device. Input device. An input device is a device that serves to input data or information into a computer. That data or information can be in the form of picture, text, video, and audio. These are the examples of input device. Keyboard. Keyboard is the piece of computer hardware used to input text, character, and other commands into a computer. Scanner. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into a digital form that can be stored on the disk. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. Mouse. Mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Item can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons, called clicking. Process device. A process device is a computer device which has data and information processing functions. The process device can also be called the brain of the computer because it processes all of the information that is put into the computer. These are the examples of process device. Central processing unit. This is the brain of computer which controls all working processes on the computer, from instructions, processing, to output. Motherboard. Motherboards serve to control the overall functionality of the computer system. Video Graphics Adapter. VGA is a hardware that serves to process graphic data, and the result will be displayed on the monitor screen. Random Access Memory. The computer's hardware that determines the speed of computer access. Output device. Output device is a device in a computer which functions is to collect and generate data that is then released through another device connected to the computer. For example, information or data can be released in the form of picture, text, video, and audio. Hardwares that categorized as output device such as monitor. Receive data from a computer and displays that information as text and image for users to view. Projector. Receives data from a computer and displays that information as text and image onto a surface like a wall or screen. Printer. Components that can print information in a hard copy. Speaker. Receives sound data from a computer and plays sounds for user to hear. Storage device. Storage device is a hardware that stores information and data, both inside and outside the computer. These are the example of storage device. Hard disk. Hard disks serve to store data or information on a computer with large capacities. In addition to computers, nowadays, hard disks are also portable, or they are often referred to as external drive. Flash disk. Flash disk serves as a device that stores data from a computer and has a USB connector to link it to a computer or other media. It's usually used to transfer data from one computer to another. Optical disk. Optical disk is data storage media that can be written by laser light. For example, compact disc and digital versatile disk. Peripheral device. Peripheral is a hardware that helps computer run commands from users. A modem is one example of an additional device on a computer that serves as a communication device that can convert a digital signal into an analog signal or otherwise. Modem can allow computers to connect to the internet. Conclusion. Hardware is one component of the information system. Hardware is a component of a computer that can be physically seen and touched. In other words, hardware is a component that has a real form. Hardware serves to receive input, processing data, giving an output, and as data storage. There are types of hardware based on its functions, namely input device, process device, output device, storage device, and peripheral device.